Okay, final subtopic for this chapter, which is on conservation of linear momentum. Okay, so in this subtopic, you should be able to define and use angular momentum, which is given here, L equal to I omega. And lastly, state and use principle of conservation of angular momentum. Okay, so angular momentum is labeled as L, and then it is defined as the product of the angular velocity and its moment of inertia. Okay, about the rotation axis lah. So the formula is given here with the SI unit being equal to kilogram meter square per second. Okay, right, now principle of conservation of angular momentum. It states that the total angular momentum in a closed system is constant. Okay, so that is the principle of conservation of angular momentum, or mathematically you can also write it as this one. Okay, where the I omega is constant only if the total torque, the net torque, is equal to 0. Okay, and then the net torque can be calculated by deriving the angular momentum in terms of time and then let it equal to 0. Okay, so then we get the total angular momentum in a closed system to be constant lah. Okay, so that is the theory part for subtopic 8.4.